Shenzhen VILVA Electronics Co., Ltd. Deeply engaged in the field of power testing for over a decade, focusing on the R&D of power supply testing equipment, production and customization solutions. Whether it is the factory acceptance of the generator set, UPS aging test, photovoltaic energy storage, charging pile, data center, O&M monitoring and inspection. Covers the full power range from 3 kilowatts to 3,000 kilowatts. Includes air-cooled load bank, liquid-cooled load bank, rack-mount AC/DC load bank, high-voltage load bank, resistive, inductive integrated load bank, and various other types of load banks, suitable for various testing scenarios. As an original manufacturer, VILVA possesses a complete production line, with a professional R&D team, capable of independent customization, solution development, equipment commissioning capability, can be customized according to the customer's operating conditions, industry demand. Customized load testing equipment, providing services ranging from conceptual design, equipment delivery, to after-sales operations and maintenance. One-stop comprehensive solution, safeguarding power stability through precise detection, empowering industry development through craftsmanship of excellence.